finally we are done with all the cities for Max Fashion Icon India 2016. We found our top 10 and only a few are fortunate enough to get the opportunity. It's up to them now to make the most of it and run with it, or rather fly with it.
For me, Mumbai is like city of dreams that everybody knows, but today I can feel that and I'm so excited and I'm feeling very happy to be here.
I wasn't expecting that I will be meeting Anupam Kher.
People like us from tier 2 cities, हमें ऐसे chance नहीं मिलते. He is not so accessible to us. तो आज Max Fashion ने मुझे ये chance दिया and I'm very, very, very grateful to them.
I've come out from a very small town. I want to be as an example to people who are from the small towns that they can really make it big in life.
It doesn't matter I'm the winner or not. I got the exposure, the experience. Obviously, I want to be the winner, but yeah, sometimes it happens. कहते हैं भगवान जब एक दरवाजा बंद करता है तो 100 और खोल देता है. I wouldn't mind if I lose it, but I'm pretty confident inside that I'll make it anyway.
The only thing that will make me the winner is my confidence. I have such a confidence that I just know how to rock the stage. If I get on the stage, I will just rock it.
Max Fashion is very proud to be part of this whole exercise of selecting the best talent, and Max definitely is proud giving them platform to further their careers in the coming years. This year was very special year because Mr. Anupam Kher and Terence Lewis graciously offered to train these finalists.
Max Fashion Icon का मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट सुनाया. मुझे लगा कि हिंदुस्तान के छोटे छोटे शहरों में, टूटा शहरों में बहुत सारा टैलेंट है. मैं खुद छोटे शहर का शिमला का रहने वाला हूँ और वहाँ सपने देखता था कुछ बनने के. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी कि इन लोगों को ऐसा मौका मिल रहा है कि ये बॉम्बे में आके फाइनल करें और इनमें से 2 विनर्स को मेरे स्कूल में 3 महीने का कोर्स करा के फ्री डिप्लोमा दें हम.
All top 5 boys and top 5 girls spoke really from the heart. They were genuine, they believed in who they were, and I love what Max, Fashion Icon is doing to these young kids.
With Max Fashion Icon India, I think we're giving young boys and girls a credible platform, an opportunity to come to Mumbai and make it big. If not make it big, at least fulfill part of their dreams. You never know what may happen. So finally, at the end of this 2-month journey, we found a boy and girl who deserve to win.
To meet Anupam sir is a really great feeling in itself. It really did help me a lot, and the words he has spoken at the academy, you have to be nervous on stage. Otherwise, you can't be real. So having confidence as well as nervousness makes you real. So those words did help me, and I came up as a winner.
When I was walking on the stage, when I entered, I was like, Lavina, this is your only chance. You have just one chance. Either make it or break it. And I made it. This is a priceless moment and a memory I'll cherish for lifetime.
मैक्स फैशन आइकॉन के लिए इस संस्था को मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, इनकी तारीफ़ करना चाहूँगा कि पूरी कंट्री से अलग अलग शहरों से छुपी हुई प्रतिभा को निखारने में सम्माननीय योगदान है और हम इनकी सराहना करते हैं इसके लिए, ताकि कई लोगों को मौका मिलेगा आगे बढ़ने का इससे.